Je veux que tu portes mon nom de famille, mais ça prend du temps. J'ai même parlé de notre...
Hello,
Hey guys,
my name is Rita.
I'm Philippe, and today the class will be focused on living with leg connection.
Let's go directly to the explanation.
Okay, so let's try to do it separately first. So Rita to this side and myself in this side. We are going to start with the 3 first steps of legislator. So we'll be 1, 2, and 3. Don't forget to have legs connection on this step. Okay, 4th step, we are going to rotate 90 degrees to our left in a touch. Okay, so 5th step, we are going to rotate 180 degrees to our right. 6th step, we are going to move forward. 7th step, we are going to open to our right. And 8th step, we do mark.
So, now from this perspective, we start with the 3 first steps of legislator. So, 1, 2, 3. On 4, we cross back in a touch. Touch. 5th, we come back with our left. 6, back. 7, open. 8, mark.
Now let's do in couples with counts. So we'll be 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And now from this perspective, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so things that you need to have in mind to do this step properly. Don't forget, on the 3rd step of Lady Saida, create connection with your leg. Okay, it's going to help your partner to rotate 90 degrees without changing the weight. And don't forget, use also your solid frame to help us. Okay? After, when you are rotating to your right, don't forget to come back to the line of your partner. Otherwise, you are going to stay outside and we want to be in the same line so we can close the step normally. So this was the today's class. We hope you like it.
Don't forget, subscribe our channel and hope to see you on the next classes. Bye!
Je briserai les chaînes.